Oh, wait, can you guys hear me? Well, I'll talk, and if you can hear me, then I guess you can hear me. Um, I don't know why I decided to start screen recording this, but I did. So here we are. I am updating my website. I've been migrating my journal link prompts to my personal WordPress website. Um, so I guess I'm showing you how I do that. Just copy and paste, because I already did everything on social media. It's on Facebook and Instagram, so I'm just copying the text, fixing the hashtags, because the links, this is what I love about WordPress and Facebook working together. I don't know how this happens, but um, even if I update the text and the link doesn't update, and that doesn't really bother me. Um, but what was I saying? The links, they just transfer over when I copy. I don't have to do anything with the links. I might clean them up a bit, like move them. Um, and there we go. So we got my hashtags, my content, and then all of this stuff is saved somewhere on, I have an external hard drive. But what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna download it. I'm gonna download it HD, because I don't know what SD is. Standard definition, I guess. And the little pop-up, there we go. So then I'll just include an image. Actually, you know what? I'm not going to download it because that's not what I do here. Let's see, go back. Oh, I want to share the link, copy link, insert, enter, and it's going to tell me it's not, you can't preview it, which is fine. And then I'm going to download the images. So first, I'm going to take all of my downloads that I currently have, and I'm going to Control A, which it copies all of them, right click to cut, and then I'm going to put them in docs. So we're talking about comparing. I want to keep them. They're just things that were saved with the same name. I want to keep. Which files do you want to keep? All of them. Continue. All right. So now I have a clean downloads folder, so I can just download this, move on, download this. Like I said, I own all of these photos, so I have them somewhere. I'm just dealing with a migration from Apple to Windows, and everything that I have is uploaded and saved on an external hard drive that is formatted for Apple. And I'm doing this on a Windows computer, and I could go to my Apple computer, but I don't really want to connect that thing to Wi-Fi for some reason. So I'm not going to. And then I'm just going to go back over here, add another little thing that says I want to do gallery for the images, and then I'm just going to upload them, and I'll figure out, see how clean this is? What order I want them to be in. So now I'm done with what I had for Facebook, but my little bar is right here in front of the things that I need, so there we go. General complaints, day 30 is going to go first. Day 3. Maybe I'll do the check-in before that one, general complaints, and then move that here. And then general complaints are going to go. Oh, I like that though. Maybe I just delete option 1 altogether because you don't really need it in this context. So we can get rid of that and just leave it, because I like the way that looks. So then, once that's done, I know my video is going to be fine. I had pre-formatted day 2 and day 4 because I find myself contemplating each time I create a page what these are going to look like. So I just did them when I set up day 2 yesterday. So now we are going to save this and we can actually publish it because it's not linked anywhere yet and I want the link for it. I don't want to add, we can just add all those tags because I'm not even going to think about that. And then sometimes you just gotta trust AI to do its job. It knows technology better than me. So, copy the link for day 3, and then I'm gonna think of all the places where day 3 has a link. So day 2 definitely has a link to day 3. And this is what I do. We're gonna make it, it's already an outline, so I'm gonna fill it, add the link, hit enter. And now, oh, actually, I don't even have to do that. I forgot. I had a new way of doing things. Day 3, just type it in. And then it's done. And then if day 3 ever changes, the link I think might automatically update if I do it this way. I haven't tried it yet, but it knows where I want it to go. So then once the link is in there, we just Control Z undoes anything you did on accident. This is the bonus page, so notice how the buttons are different down here. I did that on purpose, but this is something I have to remind myself that I did before. And then keep going back and doing it. But I haven't done day 3 bonus content yet. We're just doing the day 3 main content right now. So that was bonus. So now I know day 2 also has a link to day 3. So we're going to go in and we're going to do the same thing. Change the button, change the link, day 3, the name of the post, and then that's it. It's already done. If it looks like this, you don't have to hit enter because that will just edit the text. But if you type it in manually, like if I copy and paste it, then I have to hit enter to get it to look like that, but I don't want to do that. I just want to go day 3, and it lets me choose. One day I'll test that to see if it breaks, but I mean, do you want me to do it now and see if I change the title of the day 3 post, and then it changes the link? Day 1000 and so many zeros. Enter. Update. Oh, but that didn't change the slug. Let's see if the slug changes. Where'd it go? Oh no. Where's my day 3? Would do it. Refresh. Refresh, refresh. There it is. We want to change the slug, my dude. Here we go. Now, let's go to IamMelissaReddick.com and get my views up. Do you like to journal? So I was on page 2, day 3, still links. So that's what you want to do, because if I just copied the link in there, it wouldn't know to update it. It wouldn't know it's dynamic. So that is pretty freaking sweet about WordPress. So now we are going to refresh because my little page disappeared. Quick edit. Go back to day 3, please. Thank you. And then we can double check our changes. We refresh, and there they are. And then we go back to day 2. And then we go back to day 3. And it keeps working. And then we go to down here. And it's still working. And then we test our links. So we go to bonus content and day 3. And then we go down here to make sure that the day 2 link works. It's just lots of testing. And if it doesn't work, then we go see, why not? Let's see. Do-do-do. What you doing? Oh, there's no link. We need that. Here we go. Save. Refresh. Day 2. There we go. Bonus content. So that's the thing about the way I've designed this is you can't go back to the bonus content. You're gonna go back to the main content. Even if you come to a page from the bonus content. So I don't know if that'll be annoying because you'd have to click twice, but I also like the fact that you have to go back to the journaling prompt. I think what I'll do though is tables of content might get, so this is done, a bonus section at some point, but it's time I just have not spent yet on that part of it. So now we're on day 3. We're going to add a little link. So day 3, and then I'll get a little underline, and it'll be an official link. Oops. Oh, let me see. There we go. And then we save it. And then we say, oh, no line. Refresh. And there's a line. It takes me to day 3. And I'm done for the day. And my website's updated, and now everyone has 3 days worth of journaling prompts. And then I just keep doing that again and again until I organize myself well enough that I'm not downloading this stuff from social media. It's just on my computer. But I also have an Apple phone right now and a Windows computer. So the migration is real. Anyway, thanks for watching. Do you like to journal? If you do, I have a challenge for you that I tell you nothing about except that you won't complain for 30 days out loud. You'll put it all on paper so then you can throw it away or burn it. Whatever you... I'm burning mine for sure because I love fire. Also, WordPress. I don't know how to change my profile name, and I'm sold on the idea that it's more secure this way, but I don't know how if you can see it every time I respond to a comment. So, if anyone knows WordPress and you can help me understand... Ooh, I can do reader mode? Thanks for exploring with me. What are we doing here? Oh, I'm this one subscriber I have? Am I? Am I subscribed to me? Or is it just because I wrote it? Yeah, see, if you can tell that I wrote the post, but it looks like this. What do I do about this? Because when I Googled it, it said you can't change it. Oh. Oh, reader profile. Oh. Oh. Posts. Bruh, but tell me how to change my name. Change your handle. Settings. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my gosh. What am I doing here? Somebody tell me, please. Oh my gosh. I Googled it and everything. Let's see. Nope, doesn't change it. But I should give myself a peek. Oh yeah, the whole gravatar. I have to read those terms and I don't know. I think they're fine. Probably because WordPress seems to have terms and conditions that I like, unless I miss something. But, so no, that wasn't it. Help, please, if you can. What's this? Oh yeah, I have 3 different websites, by the way. But the other one's not set up yet. Can the bread come get me for once? I'm just gonna do everything online and you guys can just come to me, okay? Deal? Perfect. Love it. See you soon, in person or online. Mwah.